Could this steering wheel kit actually transform your daily drive? We're diving into the technical precision 18-inch black leather traveler steering wheel kit for the 2024 Freightliner Cascadia 116. And let me tell you, the initial impression is seriously premium. This isn't just any steering wheel. It's a complete upgrade designed to make those long hauls feel a whole lot better. The 18-inch diameter feels substantial and commanding, offering a more comfortable grip than the standard wheel, especially for extended periods behind the wheel. What really stands out is the black leather. It's soft to the touch, providing excellent grip without feeling slippery, even after hours of driving. It just feels good, you know. In that black powder-coated aluminum 5-hole hub adapter. It's not just about looks, though it certainly adds a sleek, modern aesthetic to the cab. It's engineered for a vehicle-specific fit, which is crucial for safety and proper function. This means no guesswork, no flimsy adapters, just a solid, secure connection. Installation, while not covered in detail here, is designed to be straightforward thanks to that custom hub. The quality of the materials suggests durability, which is paramount for a truck that's constantly on the move. You can feel the craftsmanship in every stitch of the leather and the smooth finish of the aluminum. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you feel more connected to your rig, enhancing both comfort and control. For any Freightliner Cascadia 116 owner looking to elevate their driving experience, this kit from Technical Precision is a seriously compelling option. It's a significant improvement that's both functional and stylish.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.